Certainly one of the most popular features of Copilot is its capability to quickly generate content. This ability is so profound in the way it increases productivity and saves you so much time when it comes to content creation. In this lesson, we'll explore some basic prompts to help you with ideas in generating content. We'll start off with a request to write an article about best practices for managing remote teams. And I'm going to give it detailed instructions for adding headings, subheadings, and formatting with bullets and underlining as needed. Let's see how it does. Notice how at first it searches for best practices for managing remote teams, so Copilot will learn this topic very quickly. Then notice the second point. It's generating answers. Copilot has returned some numbered points to outline the article. We'll give it another prompt so that it will write the entire article. I'd like it to use these points but exclude point number 3 and 7 in the article it produces. So we'll ask it that now. And here comes Copilot's reply. Much better. Remarkably, Copilot is able to produce a very well-rounded article in just a few seconds. Now to get a better look at this, I'll copy what it has written and place it in the open document. So to do that, I will scroll up and use the copy button up here and paste it into Word Online. So here we have 2 pages on this topic, but I would like some more content in some of the sections. So let's go back to Copilot and ask it to bulk out some of the content. For this prompt, I explain the problem and what I would like the sections with only a few sentences to have more content. I love how Copilot just gets to work and starts creating effortlessly. How much time would it have taken for me to research all of this, create it, get the grammar correct, and make sure that everything looked good about it? Now, of course, I need to proofread this and fact-check it to make sure everything is good, and that will take some time. However, Copilot has really done the heavy lifting so far in this document. Let me get it into the existing document. I'll delete what was written in that first and paste the new content in here. And if I remove some of the content from the Copilot system and just leave the article that was created, I see that when I scroll down to the bottom, there are now 4 pages of content. I hope this gets you thinking of how valuable Copilot can be when it comes to generating new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.